So just when you think you know a lot about Avengers Infinity War, there's something that comes out there that kind of throws our expectations, I guess, out the window and just adds another piece to the puzzle that we're going to be trying to solve when it comes to this big movie. Now, of course, Thanos and the villains, we pretty much assume are going to be one of the big pieces of this puzzle, because from the sounds of it, at least from what we know so far, there's been a lot of talk about making sure that Thanos feels like this great real character and that we see what his motivations are. And then of course the army he's bringing, the Black Order, is another big element. And so far we thought we knew who the Black Order consisted of. You know, Ebony Maw, Cull Obsidian, Proxima Midnight, and Corvus Glaive. Well, some brand new merchandise gives us a look at, I guess, another one that we haven't had confirmed so far. Now, note, the image I used in the thumbnail is an old Steppenwolf. I don't know what it is. It's just the only thing I could like I guess associate with it in some sort of way. I don't know, probably the horns. Well, anyway, if you look at this cup that's going to quite clearly focus on Thanos and the Black Order, right at the bottom of it is this mysterious new villain that none of us have seen before. So, who exactly is this dude? No idea. I've tried thinking about the comics or anything, and I really can't pull anything out of my mind. Like, I don't know who this could be. And you can see the horns, why I associate it with that concept art of Steppenwolf. That's why I put it in the thumbnail. So, you know, sue me, I guess. But it really does raise this interesting question of how many more things are in this movie that we don't know, because we've gotten so many set leaks and reports and various things that we think we know most of it, right? And suddenly something like this shows up and gets tossed in there. And also, how big is this dude? And like what exactly is his like involvement in the story? Because if he's on the merchandise, right, I assume he's a little bit more important than a regular grunt, because we didn't see much merchandise supporting like the Chitauri on it, right? Because come on, they're a cannon fodder.